It's gonna be a self-care kind of day, but in a productive self-care kind of way. Look at me just rhyming. Okay. Hello everybody, it's Rose and welcome back to Cheap Lazy Vegan and another video. Today we're doing another what I ate in a day video. I'm gonna show you guys everything I am eating everything I'm eating today. We're also going to spend the day together. It's gonna be a relaxed vlog type thing. Mainly, I want to get my life together. Not only are we going to clean this apartment because it is disgusting, we're gonna clean up my face because we're gonna clean up my face. Okay. Hopefully we're gonna be productive. I wanna do a bit of skincare, just basically like self-care today. So yeah, we're gonna spend the day together, you know, get my life sorted. I feel like I'm behind on life. I feel like this all the time, and then there comes a point where I'm like, okay, this day I'm getting my life together. Today is that day.
Alright guys, we're gonna get started with breakfast. I'm speaking very softly because I still have a bit of a throat cough, and I imagine you guys prefer me speaking softly anyways. So I am making my new favorite dish, which is tomatoes and tofu stir fry, or my new favorite way to make scrambled tofu. I have a video on this where I go into detail, but basically I'm cooking up some tofu. I have two different kinds, medium firm and extra soft. And once the tofu is done, I remove that from the heat and add in the tomatoes along with some water. This time I'm using grape tomatoes because that's all I had. And for seasonings, I'm adding in some soy sauce, rice vinegar, garlic powder, coconut sugar, and we're gonna mix that well. And once the tomatoes have cooked pretty well, we can add the tofu back into the pan, and we can mix that really well and let all of those flavors soak into the tofu. And we can add in some chopped green onion, and we're gonna serve this over rice. And of course, I'm going to have my coffee as well. This is honestly my new favorite dish, so don't forget to check out the full recipe video, which will be linked down below.
So today's video, guys, is very kindly sponsored by Thrive Market. I'm actually gonna be using a lot of their skincare products in today's video, which I'm excited to show you guys because they do have more things other than just food. I know most of the time I just show you the food because that's my favorite thing, but they do have a lot of cruelty-free and vegan skincare options, beauty products, and things like that. So I'm gonna show you guys a bunch of their skincare products and their beauty items because, I mean, I am a beauty guru. Yes. Alright, let's go clean my face. Once again, I've not washed my face yet because this is my life. What can I say? What can I say? Welcome to my room, my dirty room. Okay, my counter is so dirty. I need to clean it, but I'm going to be using this I don't know how to say this, Brightening Cleansing Gel. This is 100% vegan, 0% questionable. How cute. I'm using it also for the last week or so. It's very gentle. It feels nice on the face. I mean, what more can I ask for in a cleanser? So yeah, I'm gonna use that to wash my face. Sometimes I don't use a cleanser in the morning, but today I feel like my face is dirty. Alright, I've just cleansed my face. I'm going to be using this Hydrating Serum by Derma E. I do believe that Derma E is a 100% cruelty-free and vegan company. I'm always looking for hydrating skincare nowadays, so that is what I am using. Alright, after the serum, I'm going to be using Derma E Skin Restore Advanced Peptides and Collagen Moisturizer. Cruelty-free, vegan, ethical, all of that good stuff. So that is the next thing I'm putting on my face. Moisturizing is so important, guys. And because I have super dry lips, I'm actually going to be putting on some lip balm. I literally cannot live without lip balm nowadays. This is actually the Thrive Market brand, and this is the variety pack. So there's 4 different lip balms here, and I decided to go for the peppermint one today. Whew, I'm trying to avoid the sun because it's like super bright, but at the same time I want it on my face. Okay. Anyways, I've just washed my face. Oh my god, it feels so good to have a clean face and a moisturized face. I don't know about you guys, but where I live, it's just so dry. I need like as much moisture as possible. Anyways, like I mentioned, this video is very kindly sponsored by Thrive Market, and I work with them on a regular basis, as you guys know. But if you didn't know anything about Thrive Market, they're an online wholesale retailer, and they specialize in natural and organic items at wholesale prices. So for an annual membership fee of $60, you get access to their really awesome items and their wholesale prices. They have so many different items, lots of vegan and cruelty-free options. They do a lot of food, a lot of pantry staples, but they also have like cleaning products, household products, skincare products, and all of that stuff. So today I'm showing you guys a lot of their skincare products. One really great thing that I love about Thrive Market is that for every paid membership, they actually give a free membership to a family in need so that they can also have access to healthy and natural items. So if you guys are interested in getting 25% off their already discounted prices and a free trial, definitely check out the link down below. And I'm going to be showing you guys more beauty products and skincare items that I got from Thrive Market throughout the video. So stay tuned for that. What time is it? Oh my god, I got the day started a bit late. 10:45. It's already pretty late. I think what I want to do, what do I want to do? Do I want to go to the gym right away? Alright guys, I've decided to spend the next 15 minutes cleaning as much as I can in my bathroom because my bathroom is absolutely disgusting. So that is what I'm gonna do, and let's see how much I can get done in 15 minutes. So this is the current state. Please don't judge me. It's so bad. It's so bad. I can't. Like, how do I even live? How am I allowed to live on this earth like this? It is time for an end to all of this.
A few moments later.
And 15 minutes later, look at this, guys. I've done this many times where I like time myself to do something and I think it's gonna take much longer, but it actually does not take much longer than 15 minutes to clean up an entire counter space. There we go. I mean, I haven't cleaned up the whole bathroom yet, but I will do that after because I'm gonna head to the gym. Before I head off to the gym, I'm actually gonna put on a bit of sunscreen. This one's actually a moisturizer, but it has an SPF 15. This is by Earth Science, which I believe is another vegan and cruelty-free company. So it's like an SPF moisturizer, so I'm just gonna put that on. I always like to make sure I have some SPF on my face before I leave the house, especially when it's sunny like today. All right, I really like the sunscreen. It blends super easily. It's very light and it just feels really nice on the skin. It doesn't feel like a thick sunscreen, but it does have that kind of sunscreen smell, which I actually kind of like. Do you guys like that sunscreen smell? Just feels like I'm going to the lake or the beach or something. Yeah, it's really light. It blends in super well, so highly recommend this. Alright guys, I'm back from my workout, and I had a really short workout because I had a meeting after and I just didn't really have too much time, but it's better than nothing. Okay, that's what I tell myself. I'm drinking some BCAAs, branched chain amino acids, I believe is what it's called. Anyways, okay. So I did an arm workout today, and apparently BCAAs are really good for building muscle and I don't really know, guys. Okay, do your research. I just figured, you know, I might as well get some help in that department while I try to build some muscles. That's why I'm drinking it. It actually tastes really good. The one that I have, I forgot to show it. It's at my cafe. Yeah, I don't remember the brand, but next time maybe I'll show you guys. Yeah, it's just like a powder thing, and then you mix it into your water and you drink it. It pretty much tastes like a really nice like juice. So I'm drinking that, and I need to get ready for another mukbang video, aka making my lunch. So I wanted to make something with lasagna noodles. So I picked some up. I want to make like a creamy lasagna, but not like a lasagna. Basically using lasagna noodles as like my noodle. I know it's gonna be really thick. Oh, but also using a creamy kind of Alfredo style sauce. That's kind of my vision. I told you I have a lot of visions. So I think what I'm going to do is make like a cauliflower Alfredo sauce, but also add in some cashews to make it even extra like creamier and thicker. I'm gonna boil some cashews, and I'm also going to steam some cauliflower. Oh, look at that. I have some Thrive Market raw cashews. So I think I'm gonna do about a 1/4 cup of cashews and then about a 1/4 of a medium-sized cauliflower. We need to steam this until it's really nice and soft, and then we need to boil this until they've softened as well. Don't mind if I do. Cashews are so good. So good. So I'm going to boil the cashews and also steam the cauliflower. It should both take around 20 minutes or so, so I will check back in 20 minutes. And guess what we can do in 20 minutes, guys? We're gonna do some laundry. And we're gonna start cleaning my mess of a room. Now it has been about 20 minutes, a little longer. And your cauliflower should be super, super soft, and a fork should easily go into it. And also, the cashews are also here. All right, so what I like to do is cook up a little bit of garlic to add into the sauce. Just adding a little bit of oil. We're gonna heat that up. And then we're gonna add in some garlic. And then we can blend our sauce ingredients in a blender. So first we're gonna add some cashew milk. You can add any non-dairy milk. I'm just gonna use, I wanna make it super creamy. So let's use like we'll use a cup or so of cashew milk. And of course I accidentally burnt the garlic, but oh well. We're gonna add that in here. I find that cooking the garlic just gives it a really nice flavor. We're also going to add some of those cashews and of course the cauliflower while we make a mess. And seasonings, let's add in 1 tablespoon of nutritional yeast. I'm gonna add a teaspoon of vegetable stock powder. We're also gonna add in half a teaspoon of onion powder and half a teaspoon of garlic powder. We're also gonna add some lemon juice. Let's add 1 tablespoon of lemon juice. There we go, and then we can blend this up. All right, yes, I put on a bit of makeup. Let's give this, oh, it looks so nice and creamy. I'm gonna give this a taste. It is so good. All right, now water is boiling. I'm gonna cook up the lasagna. Now, ideally, if you're doing this at home, you probably wanna cook this up while you're making the cauliflower. Let's do 5. Obviously, you can eat the sauce with whatever noodles you want. All right, noodles are almost done cooking. And now we're heating up this pan again so that we can put everything together. So I cooked the noodles a little longer than what the instructions said because obviously I'm not making lasagna. Oh, this one's already broken. We're just gonna transfer this directly onto the pan. This is thick noodles. Who doesn't love thick noodles? Come on. Then we can pour the sauce. Now I don't think I need all the sauce. Ooh. But I do want quite a bit of the sauce. Oh my god, this looks good, guys. Let's bring that to a boil. I am gonna add a little bit of salt and mix it. Lasagna Alfredo. It's alive. Oh, look at that. I literally could lick this off. So this is the final lasagna Alfredo. I'm gonna be eating it in my mukbang video. Check out the link down below if you wanna eat with me. I'm also gonna have a nice salad along with my lasagna. This has some pumpkin seeds, some mixed greens, there's some cucumber, some olives, and tomatoes. Guys, I'm filming lots today. So I just filmed another video, so I feel, oh my god, I feel like I have the weirdest dimple on my, where is it? It's like here. So yeah, I just filmed another video and now I'm going to really clean up. I'm gonna focus the next hour or so on cleaning because like I said, I want to, I don't know, get my life together today. Okay, so
it's a beautiful sunny day.
So it is a beautiful day and my roommate has decided to force me out of the home. It is true. Hi. Say hello.
Hey.
Hi, Utah. You want to be in the video again? Oh no, he's running away. So yes, I was going to clean the house and be productive and cook, which I will still cook later, I think.
It's a healthy balance, you know?
Yes, it's all about balance. So I'm gonna go and have a beer for the sake of balance. It is nice out, I will admit this. All right, we're on the patio. I'm not gonna lie, it's pretty nice. I'm wearing Angela's sunglasses. Do I look nice?
Of course you look nice.
Yeah, it's apparently happy hour, so I guess we'll get a drink. Balance.
It was happy hour and my mouth was bored, so I got a little snack, just chips and guac. Alright, now it is dinner time. This was much later than I had anticipated on eating dinner, so I'm making something really quick. I am making some soba noodles or buckwheat noodles, cooking that up along with some frozen edamame. I just throw that into that boiling water as well. I'm also going to chop up some cucumber. And for the sauce, I am using a leftover peanut satay sauce. I am just going to alter it a little bit. I'm adding in some gochujang, which is Korean red chili pepper paste, along with a little bit of soy sauce, rice vinegar, and some maple syrup. In a large bowl, I'm just going to add in some mixed greens along with the cucumber. I also had some leftover smoked tofu, so I'm adding that in there as well. And once the buckwheat noodles are finished, I'm just going to drain it and rinse it under cold water. And we can throw that into the bowl along with the sauce and mix it really well. And of course, as always, I top everything with toasted sesame seeds, and there is my super simple, delicious, and healthy dinner.
Hello. Oh, I just had dinner. That was very delicious. But now it's like really late, and originally I was planning on doing a face mask and like having a bath and like doing all of that self-care stuff I wanted to show you guys. But we ended up staying at the bar much later than we had anticipated. So I got home late, so I had dinner late, and now it's like 10 o'clock. And to be honest, I'm pretty exhausted. So I'm gonna just show you guys what other products I have. This is the face mask that I was going to use. I'm not going to use it today, but I have used this, guys, for so many years. It's definitely my favorite face mask. It's just super powerful and it feels like it's really cleaning out your face. I'm not sure like if it actually does, but it feels like it. It feels like you're really like getting into the pores and everything. So I actually mixed this up with Bragg's apple cider vinegar, which you can also find on Thrive Market, and that creates a really nice paste, and then you put it all over your face and let it sit for a while until it dries out, and then you can wash it off. So that is my favorite face mask. Oh my gosh, guys, I'm like super tired all of a sudden. And guys, I'm about to take a shower and I'm going to use this Thrive Market Bulgarian Lavender Body Wash. And to moisturize, I am going to be using this Derma Hydrating Night Cream, which I've used before. So it's just a really nice night cream, just simple, hydrating, feels nice on the skin. Recently, what I've been doing is I've actually been layering my skincare. I use jojoba oil all the time. I think I've talked about this before. This is the Desert Essence 100% pure jojoba oil. I use it at night. Sometimes I use it by itself, and sometimes if I want like extra moisture, I use night cream first, or like some sort of hydrating like moisturizer, and then I put oil on top of that once this settles in. And I've heard that oil can penetrate through moisturizers and stuff, so you can still get a benefit from using the oil on top. So I use the oil last. Either I'll put this on by itself, or I'll put on a night cream by itself, or sometimes I just put both on. So that's what I'm gonna do today. I'm gonna cleanse my face, and then I'm gonna use this night cream, and then I'm going to use this jojoba oil. So my throat's really hurting, which is why I'm talking really soft. It's probably because I was talking for a few hours, and also I still have like remnants of my cold. So anyways, I'm gonna go to bed after I wash up and everything. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed spending the day with me and eating food with me and all of that stuff. If you guys enjoyed, please give this video a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. And of course, I'd like to thank Thrive Market for sponsoring today's video. If you guys are interested in getting 25% off your first order and a free 1-month trial, you can check out the link down below. And as always, guys, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!